Hey guys, so probably one of the most exciting units to take a look at are the luxury fifth wheels, and Jayco happens to have the #1 luxury fifth wheels in the market today. So let's take a look at this 38 FBRK here. Check out the kitchen in this thing. It's probably one of the coolest kitchens I've ever seen. As I said, one of the coolest kitchens I've ever seen in a luxury RV. I love to cook, and I could find myself very much at home in this rig right here. So super cool layout, residential fridge, place to do the work, place to eat, a couch that I could definitely take a nap on. Behind Phil is probably a 72-inch TV, and let's go up here into the bedroom and the bathroom. So Phil's walking by a half bath right now, so no fear, you don't have to let your neighbors or your friends up into your area if that's how you are. King size bed, very light, airy, air conditioning. It's an amazing setup. This floor plan does really well at Pete's RV. We deliver a ton of these, and I can definitely see why. So great shower, very residential, even a place to sit, and then a closet like this. I mean, this is bigger than the closet I have at my house. Washer and dryer prep, you are ready to go. I can definitely see why this is one of the #1 selling floor plans out there today. It just makes sense. Barn door for travel. Storage under the bed. Everywhere you look, there's something. 3 air conditioners on this guy. If you're down south or out west, you will definitely not get hot. Switches, they kind of went back to old school, which I really appreciate. It keeps a lot of the electrical issues out of the RVs when we go back to just using the switches. A lot easier to troubleshoot and a lot less issues for the end user down the road. So very nice to see that back again. Incredible RV, man. Thanks for taking Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road, and happy camping.